In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to hide territories so that they're not displayed on your map. This process will not delete any of your territories. It will simply remove them from view on your map. And you can do this at the territory level, district level, or even the region level. The first way to hide your territories is to zoom into that territory you want to hide, right-click on that territory to pull up the radial tool, and then click on the Hide button. And just like that, that territory has been hidden from view. It has not been deleted, it's just hidden. You can right-click on that white space now and click to show, and that territory will come back to view. You can also open up a new tab, click on Territory Tables, and you can hide territories from this view. You can click this checkbox here to make them all not visible, so when we go back to our first tab, all the territories have been hidden. We can then select a certain few to display on the map. Going back to our territory alignment view, you can see just those 3 territories are now shown. We can do the same thing at the district level and the region level. So if I open up another tab, open up a district map view, and in this file we have some of them hidden already. So let's go and open up a district table now and make sure they're all displayed. So you can see here that only partial parts of our districts are visible. So I make them all visible and go back to district alignment view. You will see that all of the districts are now shown. So let's say I want to only display one type of district. Going back to the district table, I can deselect them all from being visible and select one of these districts. And now in the district map view, that one district will be displayed, and in the territory map view, only those territories assigned to that one district will also be displayed. You can use the same process at the region level. So let's open up another tab and open up a region table, and now turn them all on to be visible. And now let's open up a region map, and just like that we will see all 3 regions displayed on the screen. So using our region table, we will turn 2 of them off from view, and now in our region map view we'll have that one region displayed. Then in the district map, only those districts assigned to that region are displayed, and then finally in our territory map view, only those territories assigned to those districts will be displayed on your map. The rest of those territories will be hidden from view. And there you go. You've just learned to hide territories, districts, and regions.